Working with the Impro technologies EABR in Access Portal. The Embedded Application Biometric Reader, EABR, is a robust, Linux-based biometric and RFID access control device. It combines fingerprint scanning, RFID, keypad, and touchscreen in a weatherproof IP65 housing. This reader has many use case scenarios such as access control in high-security facilities, time and attendance management, industrial and harsh environments, and customizable OEM applications as it ships with Linux OS and open protocols, allowing integration with custom software. To begin, we will configure the IP settings. This can be done on the Access Portal server application. Navigate to the built-in Discovery tool and search for the device. Select the device. The Network Settings page will appear. Enter your settings accordingly. Select Save to save the settings. Ensure the changes are saved by waiting for the Changes Saved prompt. The reader will now be ready to install in the Access Portal front end. Navigate to Setup. Click Install. Select the system controller the EABR is to be installed to. Scan the network to discover the reader. Select to scan the local subnet or add the IP range and scan. The newly detected devices will be listed under Discovered Devices. Click on the device to select it for installation. Untick the Install Non-IP Devices found to ensure that only the selected device is installed. With one reader being installed, select to automatically create new doors with only entry readers. Click the Install button to initiate the installation process for the selected devices. Select Confirm to finalize the installation choices. Navigate to Install Devices to view the list of devices that have been successfully installed. The installed EABR will appear here. The door can be configured to match the setting of the site. Navigate to Setup, then Doors. Click the specific door using the reader's fixed address. Rename the door accordingly. Provide all relevant information regarding the specific door. Select Save to save the door settings. The EABR that is assigned to the door can be viewed by navigating to the reader settings within the door. The reader settings, such as which credential mode the reader will operate in, can be changed. Click Setup to access the reader settings. Select Readers. Choose the EABR reader. The EABR settings will appear here, and the credential mode can be changed here by selecting the default mode options. For global changes, the reader will be assigned to the biometric reader profile by default. The EABR is fully set up and awaiting credentials.